everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had an awesome day. So today I'm actually doing an unboxing, and this is the HoMedics. I think that's how you say it, HoMedics. It's a total comfort. Basically it's a humidifier. This specific one is with warm and cold mist. So this is how it actually looks, so from the front. So now let's unbox this. So I'm just going to cut the tab on the top with just one piece of tape. Okay, so when you open it up, this is how it's going to look, and from the look we can see on the top we get a manual. We also get some quick instructions for the control panel, filling the tanks, adding essential oil, and cleaning the transducer or ultrasonic membrane. Then we also have a stop warning sign, so if we need help we can use that. We also have essential oil with this. If you want to use that, you can put it in. There's a special oil tray, and that's the fragrance you will get with the mist. And we get 2 cartridges. So then it's the machine itself, just lifting the casing, and then we can lift the machine out. So the actual humidifier is again covered with plastic, and you can take it off. It's actually at the back, so I'm just going to take that off, or you can just cut the plastic out and lift the cover. That's mainly it for the humidifier. This is the area where the mist is going to come out from. We got the control panel, few instructions or more like a key information about the product. At the back we have 2 water tanks, and we also have the oil tray at the end. So that's with all the features. The water tanks on top, and to open that up you again have to remove another tape. Once you remove that tape, you can open the water tanks and fill the tanks up. All you do is unscrew the bottom valve, and then you can just pour the water from here, and then you have to tie that back in before you put in. It does have a warning, do not put the oils in the tank, because you have an oil tray for that. And also there's a spring mechanism at the bottom. That's how like the water comes out. So if the tank is filled and you press the spring, the water is going to start coming out from there. So make sure once you fill it up, like when you're putting it, just don't press the spring, otherwise you're just going to spill all the water. Also you can see at the bottom it does says oil tray, so push here to open. You push it up, and the oil, actually you don't put the oil directly. They have pads, I guess. Yeah, so these pads, so they also gave us pads. So with the oil, with the package which contained oil, we get 2 more pads and the oil. So I guess you just put few drops of the oil in the pad, then you place the pad back in, and then into the tray and push to lock it. Just before ending the video, I'm just going to cover a few key components this humidifier has. So this has dual tanks, 7.6 liter capacity each. So the estimated running time with both of the tanks filled is 12 to 120 hours. And obviously you can set the temperature for the humidifier in the control panel. It does have a digital display and clean tank technology. So that's basically what I said. You just rinse the tanks and it's all cleaned. So that's all for this video. This was just a really quick video of unboxing the Total Comfort Ultrasonic Humidifier. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I will try to answer all of them. And thanks for watching.